Okay, here we are. Summerland Key bike path. We're at the west end of Summerland Key, crossing a neat little bridge. We're gonna go up and show you where the kayak launch is on Summerland Key. The little known kayak launch. Yep, here comes our friend. Two dings, signal for a bike. Howdy. Been plenty windy this past week. East wind every day. 15 to 20 knots. East wind, east wind, east wind.
30 miles an hour. Plus.
Well, that was when it was blowing like crazy.
Yeah, blowing pretty good today.
It's been calming down slightly in the evenings. Your bike's looking pretty spiffy. Did you wash it?
No.
No? I washed mine. Yeah, my Pedigo here has 2,056 miles on it since, when did I fix it? Last year?
Yes.
Last year for sure. It's got 2,000 miles on it in a year, so you...
No.
Wasn't last year? 2 years then. 1,000 miles a year on a bicycle. And I only ride it. Been riding it for 3 to 4 months. Okay, we're still on Summerland Key. Back out by the street now. We were up here a little bit ago looking for chickens. Didn't see any. But I'll show you where the top secret kayak launch is that nobody knows about. You turn right here at Horace Street. turn on North Side Drive. I gotta go down here 1 second. Theoretically, you can park here, launch here, but you can't park here. I gotta read this notice. And be okay. They're hoping to get a 10-foot setback. More power to them. Okay, so we go up here on Niles Road. Niles Road. We catch up with Crystal. This would be the Niles Road kayak launch. Last time we were down here, we seen a key deer. I remember last time we were down here, we seen a key deer. And he was not friendly at all. Which is how they should be.
That's right.
They're only dumb when they're on Big Pine. For some reason.
That's because people won't leave them alone.
Yeah. They act like normal deer over here on Summerland and Sugarloaf and stuff.
They're not a pet.
That's right. The spot where I seen him too.
He was right in here.
Yeah, because I stopped and I was going to take a picture of him and he screwed me and ran off.
Yeah, I think he was right in there. All that's loud. He was smart.
Yeah, he was camera shy. He didn't want anybody knowing that he was on Summerland Key. Look, here comes the Jeep. Howdy. Friendly Jeep. He was waving. Did you wave back? Is this where I seen the deer?
No, it was back there.
Back there.
Through their vacuum out.
Okay, we're still heading towards the top secret kayak launch. Kayak / paddleboard.
/ paddle boat.
Yeah, there was a paddle boat up here that, I don't know, somebody thought it would be a good idea to leave it, evidently.
Maybe they're sharing.
Maybe. Maybe. I didn't hear you.
I said someone has a yellow ribbon tied back there.
Okay.
And it wasn't on an oak tree either. what I'm saying?
Man, it's hot out, ain't it? Whew.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's better than the 20 degrees back home, that's for sure. Plus, they're getting a snowstorm tonight.
Yeah.
What's today? February what? 24th. Wow. 4 more days and we got to go to Fort Myers. I think we might leave early next time. What do you think of them apples? Good. Go to bed early and get up early. That means I only got 4 days to study. I gotta hit the grinding stone hard. Okay, kayak launch is in 1,500 feet.
1,500 feet of that side.
For those of you with inquiring minds, that would be 5 football fields. Oh, somebody's at the top secret kayak launch. Once we get here, we're gonna have a drink of water. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring a snack, so...
I have some.
Oh, Bristol has snacks.
I have raisins, I have Velveeta's, and I have peanut butter pretzel.
Okay, that'll be plenty. Okay, we're here. The end of Niles Road. The end of Niles Road. Into the road. Oh, the paddle boat is gone. No, the paddle boat is still there. Can't understand why somebody would leave a paddle boat there, but it probably is junk.
Well, it's floating.